Hey, you guys. Hey, what's going on? I hope everybody's doing good during this pandemic and staying safe, etc., etc. Um, I'm one of those essential employees. I work for the government. Who cares? But I just really just hope everybody's staying safe during this whole Corona business. Um, but I just want to unbox this. I've been waiting for this since 2017, um, and I finally got it. I'm really happy about that. Really happy about that. So as you see, it's the glance clock. Now, from what I heard, is that these people just bought it, so that's why. This is why it's not been sent out or whatever. I'm telling you, I've been waiting for mine since 2017, and they were supposed to be a 2.0 version, but I guess whatever. 2.0 version was supposed to be the one with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is just the Bluetooth. So this is just a quick unboxing. Just received it today. My birthday was, I just had it, so I guess this is a birthday present for me. And here it is. I don't even know. Let me see. Nope. I'm really trying to take it out of here. That's crazy. Then you gotta set it up on your phone. Hold on a minute. I'll be back after I set it up. And I'm back. So it came with this, with the plug. I got the American version, of course. So right now, I got this, got the power brick. And this is you're supposed to be able to take this top off with the glance clock logo, and put a screw in it, in the wall, and just hang the clock up on it. I didn't do any of that, so comes with this. You have to download the app, and that's it. This is how it looks. Another clock. Sorry, I'm a gamer, but um, but yeah, it's cool. I've been waiting for this. There's an update as soon as I took it out of the box, so I'm gonna update in a couple of minutes, and that's that. I believe this is selling for $149, I believe. I don't know, I could be wrong. I'll link the description where you can buy this. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Stay safe.